The second phase of the COVID-19 vaccination drive will start today across the country. The inoculation drive in the national capital will start at 12 p.m. for people over 60 years of age and those above 45 with chronic critical illnesses. The vaccination drive will be carried out in 10,000 private hospitals and 20,000 government hospitals, where the maximum amount for the vaccine would be 250 rupees per dose. The vaccine will be available for free at government hospitals, and people can choose where they want to get vaccinated, whether in a private or government hospital. My colleague Sukirti Dwivedi joins us live from New Delhi. Sukirti, with a stroke of a pen, the Drugs Controller General of India has put to rest any doubts and concerns regarding Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, and now the Prime Minister has taken a shot too. But is there still a sense of hesitancy as far as the vaccine drive is concerned?
Well, Parmeshwar, we will get to know what that situation is exactly once the vaccinations begin around 12 p.m. because at least if we talk about the build-up phase, we have seen a lot of, most of the people that we spoke to in the days to this launch before these, in the last 4 to 5 days, the people that we've spoken to, they have shown a lot of enthusiasm and excitement towards getting vaccinated without much concerns on which vaccine they should be getting. So that's as far as the majority is concerned. But of course, there was a certain minority section that said that, we would want to check which vaccine are we getting, which one of them is safer. Maybe I'd like to sit and watch in the initial phase, and then once I'm sure that there are no adverse effects anybody is experiencing, and then maybe I would like to go to a vaccination site. So that is as far as the atmosphere we witnessed so far. But today, at this point of time, a lot of people are possibly trying to make online registrations, trying to book their slots. So once things begin at around 12 p.m, we will get to know the clear picture. Currently, we are at LNJP, and this is the way that leads to the vaccination center. So as of now, there are no people here, but we spoke to the administration and officials here. They said that we are expecting people, we are expecting the footfall around 12 p.m. when the vaccination actually begins. As of now, there are no people coming to the site for inquiries. So we haven't been seeing any people coming here. That is also possibly because people are now also aware that today people in Delhi can make only online registrations, and only through those they can come here and get vaccinated. So today Delhi will have it for a very limited period of time, only about 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. That's when the vaccinations are supposed to take place. Tomorrow onwards, the timings will be expanded. It will start from 9 a.m. and it will go on till 3 p.m. So at least in the build-up that we've seen to the launch day, there has been more enthusiasm and excitement in comparison to the level of doubt or hesitancy. But the picture will become more clear post 12 p.m.
Thank you so much for that update, Sukirti. My colleague Purva Chitnis also joins us live from Mumbai. Purva, the centre has decided the distribution strategy among states based on geographical prioritization. This means states like Maharashtra and Kerala, which are reporting the highest daily cases, will likely get more vaccines as compared to other states. What are you hearing? How are people feeling about this?
Well, in fact, right now I am at the BKC Jumbo Center here in Mumbai. It is one of the largest jumbo centers in Mumbai. It's a government BMC-aided center, and you can see that people have already come in since morning. However, right now what's happening is that they are trying to register people on site, but there are some glitches in the app, and that is why the registration process also began later. And there are also some of the people who have come in for second phase, second dose vaccine as well. But here on this side, you can see that a lot of senior citizens have already come in and they are waiting for their turn. But the center is trying to register them on site. However, the app is not supporting them, and that is why right now some of them have got themselves registered, but they are still waiting for what exactly is happening. Sir, could you tell us what exactly are they telling you?
We are supposed to get ourselves registered first, which we have done, and I think they're doing a brilliant job. And now we're supposed to wait till we are called for the vaccination. And they also told me that we'll get the vaccination today, and we'll get the certificate also today.
Okay, so they already registered you on site right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they could not register earlier?
No, we didn't even try. We just came here directly.
Okay, you came walking.
Yes.
What about you?
Same here.
Same thing. You registered?
Yes, I've registered.
So right now the process thank you so much for talking to us. So the process has in fact begun, and they started the registration process, and you can see that all the senior citizens are in fact waiting here. This is a desk where they are getting themselves registered. Some of them have come in as early as before 9. So that they could register themselves. For 1 hour or so, there were glitches in the app. The registration process could not begin, but right now it is in fact people are getting registered, and so far a lot of people came in, and they are also appealing to people to cooperate with them because it's just day one, and some kind of chaos was expected earlier also when we spoke to the doctor, the dean here, who said that they have the capacity to vaccinate at least 2,000 to 2,500 people per day. But it is just day one, and they need people to cooperate with them. They are allowing walk-ins to come in. The walk-ins are coming, and they are getting themselves registered here. Back to you.
Thank you for that update, Purva.